Let's make some smoky Afghani chicken. This creamy chicken Afghani gravy is definitely a crowd pleaser. Hi guys, welcome back to H&M Gourmet. Roll up your sleeves and let's get started. For chicken marination, in a blender add 1/4 cup of soaked cashews, 1 green chili, 1 medium-sized onion, fresh ginger and garlic, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1 packet of fresh cream, and a handful of coriander and mint. Blend everything until you get a smooth paste. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste to 900 grams of chicken. Add in all the spices mentioned and the blended yogurt mixture. Marinate well. Next, in a pan, heat a block of butter and add in the marinated chicken pieces. Cook until the chicken gets a lovely golden brown color on both sides. Once the chicken is done, remove the chicken pieces and add in the whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom pods, and 4 to 5 cloves. Add another block of butter. Saute for a minute or two. Pour the remaining marination, add a glass of water, and simmer for 5 minutes. Next, add in the chicken pieces. Cover and let it simmer until oil separates from gravy. Lastly, add in a teaspoon of rose water and give it some charcoal smoke to give it that smoky barbecue flavor. Delicious smoky Afghani chicken is ready. Now dish out and serve. Pour some fresh cream on top, garnish with green chilies, and enjoy. Make sure you do give this creamy smoky Afghani chicken a try. It's a finger-licking good recipe and it's so easy to make. And if you like this recipe, make sure to smash that like button. And don't forget to follow me. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking!